4.6L V8 24V, clean Carfax. And clean Winona Carfax. Exceptionally versatile. Great SUV for all seasons. Your quest for a gently used SUV is over. This great-looking 2007 Ford Explorer Sport Track has only had one previous owner, with a great track record and a long life ahead of it. The Explorer Sport Track scored the top rating in the IIHS frontal offset test. You just simply can't beat a Ford product. It is nicely equipped with features such as 4.6L V8 24V, clean Carfax, clean Winona Carfax, 3.55 axle ratio, 4 speakers, 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS brakes, air conditioning, alloy wheels, AM/FM radio, AM/FM stereo with single CD MP3 player, bumpers, body color, CD player, cloth two-tone low-back power bucket seats, delay-off headlights, driver door bin, driver vanity mirror, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, 4-wheel independent suspension, front anti-roll bar, front bucket seats, front center armrest, front cup holders, front fog lights, front reading lights, fully automatic headlights, illuminated entry, leather steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, MP3 decoder, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger door bin, passenger vanity mirror, power door mirrors, power driver seat, power steering, power windows, rear anti-roll bar, remote keyless entry, roof rack, rails only, speed control, speed sensitive wipers, split folding rear seat, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, traction control, trip computer, and variably intermittent wipers.